So this past year we started beekeeping and we're learning as we go. So this was our very first hive. We had it sitting here and now it's between the shop and the house. And we're gonna need to start raising these walls, so we'll have to have the skid loader over here. So we gotta move the hive. And this morning, I think it's like 40, it's in the 40s. So the bees are they're just in there right now. So we're gonna block off the entrance, put it on the wagon, and move them to the back of the property just to get them out of our way because we don't want to get stung. So here we go. You want to pull it?
Okay. Do I need to go really slow?
No. I just got this closed up in case they would want to come out. We can go slower, right?
Instead of like screwing it something closed?
Yeah, watch out for the shop. Go that way. We don't have any blocks to set it on yet.
You're just gonna do that later?
It's that broom-weed, I think we call it.
Are you clearing this out or are you gonna put some in front of their entrance?
Maybe both of them.
Oh, okay.
And we gotta have it far enough away from the fence so when the cows come in here, they're not gonna mess with it. Even though a lot of beekeepers say if the cows mess with it once, they'll never do it again.
Maybe that cow, right? Lots of cows.
They talk. I have no clue if they do it.
Yeah, we don't know. We'll see.
I guess I'll set it in there. We will raise these up eventually, but
You don't want to just do it now while it's cold? Go get some blocks and put them
later
there?
when we don't have any cinder blocks here.
Oh, I thought you meant like wooden blocks to set on.
No.
Oh, okay. So you can leave it closed then, or you're gonna
We'll let them on. Oh.
put something in front of the entrance?
So we watch a lot of stuff. They say when you do move them, put something in front of their entryway to make them reorient themselves. Because they'll come out and say, hey, we're in a new place. But it's pretty cold. And yeah, if it works, it works. Good for us, but we'll see. So we'll do that and then take their little
We just now made it back to check our bees since we've moved them. Just see if they stayed or if they decided to find a new home since we moved them less than 2 miles, right? And obviously more than 2 feet.
should just be the ladies in it now.
Oh yeah, they're supposed to kick the boys out, the drones, in the winter, right?
They're in there.
Is it more than it was before? Like, do you feel like they're doing well? I guess you gotta open it up more and see. But I think the last time we checked on this box that was inside the shop, they were pretty inactive. Are you gonna pull a frame? Do you have that? Pull a frame up and look.
No, nothing special. They're all connected though.
Oh, they're cross-combed? Well, oh, it smells delightful.
Cow poopity doopity. Right. They probably shouldn't be wearing black. But then, you know.
Oh, we do. We have frames though, huh? Or
This one, not the other side.
oh, okay.
But I'll put it back on once they're getting agitated.
Well, I'm curious on. They're all. You're not gonna be able to pull it out
No, they're all cross.
without splitting them.
Yeah, I don't want to do that before winter for them.
Okay. Well, I guess the main thing we want to check is that they still stayed in there and they didn't move out. Good work. What's wrong? Did you smoke yourself?
Maybe I am a smoker.
Oh.
Just kidding.
Bees don't smoke. Bee movie.
It's a smoking gun.
Since we're all suited up, we're gonna go ahead and check our other boxes since we haven't checked them in quite a while.
Nothing in the top.
Okay.
There's nothing in the top.
They're coming out the front, is what I'm asking.
Yeah. What's this one?
I would like to check.
I don't want to. There's not enough smoke for this. I don't want to take a chance right now.
Okay. We don't see any going in and out of there, right? So. Oh, thanks for straightening it though. That was bothering me. Well, should we move these other ones then?
No, not right now.
Why?
Not cold. They're flying in and out right now.
Oh, we have to wait till it's like dark or cold. Oh yeah, there's quite a bit over there. But is there not supposed to be a lot going on in winter,
I
or
don't think so.
do you see anything on the top frames?
Nothing on the top frames of this one, but they're congregated down there.
No, nothing built on it.
You can see in there.